Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone, where I post helpful and entertaining video weekly. In today's episode, guys, I'm gonna do a quick vlog here. Basically, just recently, I took the car out for a ride, and yeah, as you know me, I don't drive the car as much. Yet, I seem to run into potholes all the time. And as you can see, guys, the Golf R, both the left rear and front tires are basically dismantled here, and I really thought I did bend them again as usual. So yeah, the Pretoria wheels are really soft, and yeah, it's just slight pothole here and there. They can be bent easily. Anyways, I took them out and brought them to Quicksilver. Again, another shout out to Joe and Joey and the rest of the crew there for always hooking me up with Quicksilver there. Those guys are awesome as always, and they tested the tires. Tested the tires and wheels, and so glad that they're not bent. But one wheel, the rear one, there's just a slight balancing issue there, but it's just a 0.5 basically there, which is not great, which is not too bad weight wise. So I don't think the vibration is caused by a bent wheel. I think I'm suspecting that it could be possibly due to my spacers that I have here. There's a bit of a play there, so slight shift, as you can hear. So slight shift on this hub centric. They are hub centric, but yet they do shift possibly in the process, and it just basically throws off the full balancing on the wheels. Similarly on the front, it do shake, and I can show you that, guys. So beware if you have this hub centric. Even though they're hub centric, there's a bit of movement there regardless. So if you all of a sudden hit a pothole and you're starting to basically have some vibration into your vehicle there at a certain point around 110, 120 mark, not necessarily that your car is off balance, or your wheels are off balance or bent. It could be possibly due to your hub centric spacers again. So I'm gonna try and put them back in and place them in properly and carefully, and make sure that that whole thing is sitting down nicely. I'm thinking maybe put a Teflon tape around the hub itself, and then before putting the spacers, just so that way that wiggling room will not cause any vibration for me, and throw the wheels back and see how it goes. Yeah, so another shout out, by the way, to Tars Plus. My buddy Sam, awesome guy. I went down there a couple days ago because of, as you know, the pilot needed some wheel balancing. I just dropped by and brought the car in there, and he just in a second took me in and did the full balancing on the vehicle, and didn't cost me so much at all. So thanks again, Sam, for that, and just a quick shout out for always being with me at all times. So anyways, guys, thank you for that. Without further ado, I'll be working on the Golf R. Just some good news to add. Basically, guys, as you can see, I have packages in the back here. A few packages that came from Amazon, and most importantly, some parts from Rock Auto and Amazon here. And also I got this big box here, and you guys could probably guess what it is. It's basically the part that I'm waiting for the longest time for our rear diffuser and the front splitter there. And I'll be unboxing it and doing the install here pretty soon. So stay tuned for that. folks, I'm on the car now. Take the car out for a test drive here and see if we have solved the problem. Whew, that's pretty hot today, guys. 25 degrees, but there's no wind, so it's definitely warm out there. I took the car out yesterday, and again, there's tons of bugs. I probably killed 1 million mosquitoes in the process. My windshield and my bumper is pretty much just full of bugs. 100% mosquitoes. So I'm glad that I was able to nail all those badass mosquitoes. And yeah, we'll wait till we get to the highway and see how it goes. Well, folks, I'm on the highway now. Yeah, it definitely got better. I don't feel so much of that vibration, that's for sure. So I really suspect that the wheels weren't bent. I don't think the 0.5 additional weight on the wheel itself really would cause that much vibration, but yeah, I think it's something to do with either due to the impact. I'm sure that the spacers again could have shifted at some point in time, and it might have caused a bit of that vibration going. So basically, I put a Teflon tape there to tighten it up a little bit. Unfortunately, this is like my second set of and different brands of spacers, and yeah, they still do move slightly, and so having a Teflon tape on it hopefully will do the trick, and see how that goes, and I'll give you guys an update on that. So far so good. I'm not feeling any vibration at all. Yeah, no, as much as possible, I don't want to use spacers in the long run. I definitely want to take this Pretoria wheels out, save them, because I do love them. They're super light, and I like to keep my original parts, so I definitely keep the OEM part here, and I'm gonna put in a proper offset wheels that makes the car looks beautiful. And so that's gonna be the plan, guys. And yeah, from here on, I think I'm just gonna be careful on how the roads situation is, and yeah, it's really hard to prevent. There's so much pothole on the in the roads here in Calgary, and can't really avoid it sometimes. So anyways, guys, again, if you haven't done so, please do subscribe, and smash that subscribe button and the like buttons, and also the notification bell, so you guys get definitely get any of my vlogs, any of my videos coming up. So anyways, stay tuned.